What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka ayom senrai kadai ka ayom ka bakinong rep ki phu samrki namar ba ukuba ubakila thung laben ulai bat kapor kala de yaki ban otno ya u. Henry ki nongshong shnong jong ka Lapangap hapo ka West Giant Hills District kila don haka hato kin yo ot ne em ya ukuba bakila thung bat ben namar ba kin nongshong shnong karbi ki siat da ki jri siat sim ban penthot ya ka jing ot ka ba ka jongki. Kini ki penthor ke ba jong ki nongshong shnong Lapangap ki don markhap bat ka shnong takpan jong ka West Karbi Anglong District Assam bat nadu ka arpusan trik jeliu arhajar arpusan kite ki ar shnong ki don hapdeng ke jia kaja. Ha ka shitarik mentau benai ki nongshong shnong Lapangap ki lami pat ba da ka jingtmu ban ot ke ba Henry Marsin poi syaki penthor ki la kendit ba ki Karbi ki la ker tawyar na shiliang lum rengkat bat ki pulit Assam. Onda haba ki nongshong shnong Lapangap ki lapoi kham Shah ki penthor ki langar penban ha ka jing syak siat mau da ki jeri siat sim ha ki Karbi bat kumta omban se ki hap het kerat no knang ban lait na kanu ka jing mensau. Ki pulit Meghalaya ki basyong basa ha Lapangap ki letang hadu jingking job card namar bomyo jingbit na ki bor bahlor. Ki nongshong shnong Lapangap ki dap la ka jing ngobitar halor ka jing bom aibor jong ka sorkar Meghalaya ya ki pulit jongka ban senran lang ya ki syadu ki penthor ki badon markhap ya ka shnong takpan jong ka West Karbi Anglong District. Habaya keren bat wahe shnong jong ka shnong Lapangap uma Daemon miling do ulaong bakan sapoi kapor baon amla syu ban tek lakam ya ki nongshong shnong ban tur syaprang bat yakhun markliang bat ki Karbi. Ulaong bakador bar shnong Lapangap kala dep pentip Shah ke sorkar jela bat bor penyai distrik bakin saot keba Henry haduk menta kimpat ailat jing iada.
Lala do miero yo ru'a la gala. Bai ba la gala. Do miero ru'a la. Lala do miero yo ru'a la gala. Bai ba la gala. Do miero ru'a la.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.